Today, let's dive into the world of data structures in Python. Whether you are a beginner in Python or just curious about data organization, this session will be a great starting point. Imagine a shipping container. It stores and transports goods efficiently. Data structures in Python are containers that allow you to organize and manipulate data in a meaningful way. We'll explore some common data structures and see how they can help us write cleaner and more efficient Python code. Take a look at the screen. It shows containers used in day-to-day life. Each container has its own unique properties. Just as a physical container can be used for different types of goods, Python has different data structures for different kinds of data. The four primary data structures in Python are lists, sets, tuples, and dictionaries. Each of these has its own unique characteristics and uses. Tuples are ideal when you want to ensure an object remains unchanged throughout its lifetime, preventing any modification or addition of data. Imagine you want to create a calendar. For that you need to refer to the days of the week. Days of the week are fixed and should not be changed, making a tuple an ideal choice. In the code, on your screen, refer to line number 2. Days _ week is a tuple. Code at line number 6 will throw an exception since tuples are immutable. Pause the video and explore what does immutable mean. Discuss with your batchmates. Take a look at line number 12. Notice a comma after fun day. It is that comma what makes a single element tuple a tuple. Else, Python would consider it to be a string. What do you think? Will line number 12 throw an exception since we are creating a new tuple? Pause the video and discuss with your friends. What about line number 20? What is going to happen? Yes, you guessed it right. It will throw an exception. Where else would you like to use a tuple? Pause the video and discuss with your friends. Dictionaries are collections of key-value pairs. They are useful for creating structures like a digital contact book, where you can map names to contact details for quick lookups. We will discuss dictionaries in detail in a separate video. Sets are collections of unique elements with no defined order. Notice how on line number 2, apple was the first fruit, but in the printout, cherry was printed first. This is what is meant by being unordered. The elements in a set do not have a defined order. Now look at line number 5. We are adding the fruit apple to the set again. However, if you take a look at the printout, it only has one apple. Sets automatically handle duplicate elements by only storing unique elements. Pause the video. Research where sets could be useful and discuss with your friends. Lists are data structures that hold an ordered collection of items. Each item in a list has a fixed position, which stays the same throughout the list's life. Lists are mutable, meaning elements can be searched, added, moved, and deleted after creation. Additionally, lists can be nested, allowing them to contain any object, including other lists. More about lists in a separate video. With this short overview, we are ready to explore more. Happy coding!